Guys, this is my first unboxing video. These are the Realme Buds which I had bought from the Realme website. I will provide the link in the description. You can also buy. The cost of earphones is $499 and delivery charges are up to 50 rupees. I ordered 2 days back. They came in this big box for me. Yeah, here are the earphones. Come with the full of packing and air packets for the protection, and with some invoice and stuff. These are the earphones wrapped with the Realme logo. Yeah, these are the earphone box. You can clearly see it's full of yellow, where the Realme logo is printed over the earphones, and some of the stuff is written over here, where contact numbers, and color is black, 32 ohm, etc. Yeah, here it comes. Here are the earphones. Proud to be young. Realme. It comes. We keep aside the earphones. Here are some buds. Extra buds for the earphones. For the ears. Small size, medium size, large size. Here are two, and one small and large, and the medium size is with the earphones. Here are the earphones. Yeah, it's the earphones are with the magnetic endings. It's a strong magnet. The buds are with some sort of a yellow color bordering. It looks nice. And the earpiece is with volume up, volume down, and pause buttons, and with a inbuilt mic, where Realme is printed over here. And the Kevlar fiber provided here is very strong. It's break resistant. I will provide the link in the description. You can also buy. Thank you.